Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So today we will start our second chapter, working with Windows. So first of all, I will give you some introduction of this chapter. So let's start. We all know that Windows 7 is an operating system software. You cannot work on a computer system unless the operating system software is installed in it. Windows 7 provides you a program known as Control Panel. The Control Panel allows us to make changes in the setting of Windows and other hardware and software. In this chapter, we will learn about different options that are present in the control panel. So now, how to open a control panel? And before this starting, I will ask you what is the latest version of Windows? So students, Windows 8.1 is the latest version of Windows. So now we will learn how to open control panel. Here you can see this picture. 2 steps for opening control panel. First we have to click on the on the start button. So here you will click. Then after you have to select the control panel option from the start menu. Okay. So the control panel window appear as shown in this figure. Here you can see this is the control panel window. Now you can also view all the items of control panel by clicking on category drop down shown. Okay, you can see all the items of the control panel by clicking on this category. Okay, so now after this, to open control panel window, we will double click on the computer icon. Okay, we will double click on the computer icon on the desktop, or if you have already opened it on your desktop, then click on the open control panel. Okay, you will click on open control panel button located on the toolbar. So now here you can see, as you have already, if you have already opened the control panel, then you just have to double click. Okay, click here to open control panels. Okay, now you have been introduced to the control panel interface. Now let us perform some operations by using control panel. So here you can see, you can change shapes of the mouse pointer. Okay, so changing shapes of the mouse pointer, we will learn this. So the mouse pointer is shaped like an arrow. You all know the mouse pointer is shaped like an arrow. You can change the shape of the mouse pointer from the control panel. The speed of pointer movement, setting of the mouse buttons, etc. can also be changed by using the control panel. So to change the shape of a mouse pointer, follow the given steps. You have to follow some steps for changing a shape of a mouse pointer. So here we will learn what are the steps. Okay, so first of all, we have to click the start button. Okay, in the previous I have explained you. First you will click on the start button. Then in that control panel a window will appear. You know how to open a control panel. Then you have to select the hardware and software button, hardware and sound button. Okay, sound option, another window will appear on the screen. Double click the mouse icon. Now you, just because we have to change the mouse shape, so you will click on the mouse icon in the view devices and printers. So group in the right place of the window. Okay, now the mouse properties dialog box open. It has usually 4 tabs. You can see 4 tabs. Mouse properties, when you open, then it has four tabs in that. So first tab is what? Buttons, pointers, pointer options and hardware. So in the pointer tab you will click the browse. See, in the pointer tab you will click the browse. Okay, the browse dialog box opens. It displays a list of shapes available for your mouse pointer. Here you can see these all are the shapes, okay, available for your mouse pointer. So here you will select a mouse pointer choice of yours. It is depend on, and then you will click on open. Okay, once you have chosen your mouse pointer of a shape, then you will click on this button open. Okay, then what happened? Once you chosen your options of the shape of a mouse pointer, then and after that you have click on the open button, then the old mouse pointer will be replaced by the selected one in the mouse properties dialog box. You can see up when you have selected a new shape of a mouse pointer, then the older one will be replaced by the selected one. So you may also change the speed of a double click of mouse by using buttons tab available in the mouse properties dialog box. You can change the shape, okay? You can change the speed of double click of mouse by using button tabs available, okay? Now click the apply button, okay? And then okay, the shape of the mouse pointer will be changed, okay? So students, do you know what is click lock? Yes, click lock is a feature which allows you to drag the mouse without holding down the mouse button. You must select these options under buttons tab of mouse properties. Mouse properties, in the button tab you can select this option, okay? Now we will discuss the next topic. So our topic is adding a device to a computer. How you can add a device to a computer? As we have many devices at our home, in the offices, so how you can add devices like a printer, fax machine, modem, etc. to your computer? So to add a device to a computer, we will follow the given steps. So first of all, click the start. Okay, first you will click on the start button, then control panel. After this, hardware and sound, a window will appear on the screen. Okay, once you have clicked on the start button, then control panel, hardware and sound, then the window will appear on the screen. Then you have to click the view devices and printers. Okay, group in the control panel window. The following window will appear. As you can see here, these all are the devices and the printers which will appear on your window screen. Now you have to click add a device. Okay, you have to click add a device. The add a device dialog box appears as shown below. Here you can see, once you will click on the add to device, then this dialog box will appear on your screen. Now you have to select a device which is to be added and click the next. Okay, and then the selected device will be added. Removing software programs. So students, how you can remove software programs? You are excited now for learning this? So yes, to run different applications on your computer, you need to install or add different software. But sometimes when such programs are not in use for a long time, you should also remove them from your computer because they slow down the speed of the computer and take a lot of computer memory space. So to remove a program, we have to follow the steps given below. So first, step is what? You have to click the start button, then in that you have to select control panels, and after that programs, then uninstall a program. So the uninstall or a change a program windows appears. In that it displays a list of programs installed on your computer. Here you can see you have to select the program you want to remove and then just click on the uninstall button. Okay, once you have selected your program which you want to remove, then you have to click the start uninstall button. Okay, so the program and features message box appears asking you to confirm the deletion of that program from your computer, whether you want to confirm the task, whether you want to remove these programs or not. There will be confirmation message box in your computer. Okay, and if you are sure that you want to remove it from your computer, then click yes, otherwise click no. Okay, see, like this programs and feature dialog box will be appear, whether are you sure you want to uninstall open for office. So if you are confirmed, then you will click here yes, otherwise click here to cancel. Okay, so students, always remember that once you remove a program, you will not be able to use it further until you install that program again. Okay, so changing themes of a computer. By changing the themes of a computer, you can change the appearance of the desktop of your computer. So Windows 7 has many inbuilt themes. Steps to change the themes of a computer are as follows. So students, when you are bored again and again seeing the same themes in your computer, then you want to have some different themes. So what you will do, you will change the themes of a computer. So how you can change your themes of a computer? Let us learn. So first of all, you have to click the start button and then control panel, then appearance and personalization. After this, a window will appear on the screen. Select the change the theme option in the personalization group in the right pane. A theme window will appear. Okay, you can see here a theme window is appear. Now select a theme and double click on it to apply. The theme will be applied on the desktop. Here you can see a theme is applied on the desktop. Okay, so students, now let us move ahead to know some utility tools of Windows. So utility tools of Windows. Utility tools are used to improve the performance of the computer system. It improves the performance of your computer system. Windows 7 has many utility tools like a disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, etc. So let us learn these utility tools in details. So disk cleanup. Disk cleanup is a part of a system tools in Windows 7 which help you to remove unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space. It removes all the downloaded programs and other files which are not being used for a long time. It also empties the recycle bin files. Disk cleanup helps your computer to run faster. So to use disk cleanup, we have to follow some certain steps. So how you can use the disk cleanup? We will follow the following steps. So first of all, students, you have to click the start button, then all programs. After this, you have to click on accessories, system tools, then select disk cleanup, and then the disk cleanup drive selection dialog box open asking you to select the drive. Here you have to select the drive which you have to clean the disk. So now click the drop down arrow. Okay, here you will click the drop down arrow and select the drive you want to clean up, and then click OK. Here you will select the drive which you want to clean up. So after this you will click on the OK. Now it will display a list of unnecessary files. Okay, unnecessary files, select the files you want to remove and then click OK. The disk cleanup dialog box of confirmation appears, asking you to delete files. Click the delete files to start the disk cleanup process. Here you can see you will see the dialog box of confirmations appear, asking you to whether you want to delete this file or not. If you are confirmed, then you will click on the delete files. Okay, so this is how you will use the disk cleanup. Okay, disk defragmenter. This defragmenter help us to rearrange the fragmented data so that your disk drives can work more efficiently. Whatever your disk are not working properly, and you can rearrange that using disk defragmenter. Okay, it can rearrange the fragmented data so that your disk drives can work more efficiently. Okay, so disk defragmenter runs on a schedule, but you can also defragment your disk manually. So to defragment the disk, follow the given steps. You have to follow some certain steps. First of all, you have to click on the start, then all programs, then accessories, and after this system tools, and then you have to click on the disk defragmenter. Once you have clicked on the disk defragmenter, the disk fragmenter window appears on the screen. Here you can see this is your disk defragmenter dialog box. Okay, then you have to select the disk you want to defragment under current status. Okay, you have to click here which disk you want to defragment under current status. You may check the percentage of fragmentation on the disk in the last run. Okay, now click the defragment disk. It will take several minutes to a few hours to finish. So now the question is, what is fragmented data? Okay, so yes students, fragmented data means the data is divided into small pieces or blocks. You can work on your computer during the defragmentation process. So students, our chapter is completed. So in the next video we will discuss the worksheet of this chapter.